I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy, the energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. Oh, I can feel it, yeah. Oh, I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it, I feel it. Oh, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. You're on a wire until it breaks. You can't be thinking you ain't got what it takes. This time you better drink your cup. Don't got all day, you gotta hurry up. So shake down, hold up, better to feel it than never believing it. Shake down, hold up, moving around until you hit the ground. You better shake down, hold up. You better shake down, hold up. You gotta. You don't feel alive when everything's so still. And then you dare to complain, you just take your pill. Now we walk where we used to run. We forget how to play, we just sit in the sun. So shake down, hold up, better to feel it than never believing it. Shake down, hold up, moving around until you hit the ground. You better shake down, hold up. This time we better drink our cup. Don't got all day, we gotta hurry up. So shake down, hold up. Better to feel it than never believing it. Shake down, hold up. Moving around until you hit the ground. You better shake down, hold up. 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 You better shake down, hold up.
Well, I guess it's good that I have pretty quick reflexes. I kept my camera from hitting the paint. But other than that, everything else went wrong. But that's sometimes the way it goes. I instantly regretted the way I layered that cup with the black, with just the gold in between. It did not prevent it from going gray. But you know what, I think this is going to dry beautifully. I think getting out the hair dryer was a really good way to save this. I think this is going to be beautiful as the backdrop for an embellishment. Or I could even do a transparent base coat, do another blowout on top of it. This is going to dry very dark, so I could do something with really light colors. It'll be beautiful. Lots of things I can do with this. So I am happy with my final result. I'm gonna call this painting Perseverance. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.